Hi, I'm Gregory Kuiper from Montreal, Canada. I'm a board-certified hypnotist and a certified trainer, and I want to invite you to come to my lecture titled, Get All Your Clients into Somnambulism. The subtitle of this lecture is Remove Client Fear and Yours by Using the Elman Induction More Effectively. Now, I think we can all agree that having a client in somnambulism is an ideal and necessary state when using certain hypnotherapy techniques like regression or parts therapy. And there are a lot of different inductions that you can use to achieve this goal, but my favorite is the Elman induction. It's simple to perform, and when used correctly, it can help you to get all your clients into somnambulism. And I'm going to show you how you can spot and resolve client fears that can keep clients from going into somnambulism. Now, you may also discover that your fear is getting in the way as well, and sometimes we might be tempted just to accept that a client won't go deep or not know why they won't go there. And you're going to learn some cool techniques to help you navigate these situations. Now, I look forward to seeing all of you on Friday, August 7 at 5 p.m., and I promise I'll keep you awake.